Right, let's take a start. Do you like shopping?
Yes, I am a shopaholic person and I always love to do shopping. I usually go to shopping within a month, once or twice in a month. And whenever I have a occasion like wedding party, I prefer to shop.
Okay, this is very good one, right? You can replace the word shopping, purchasing, buying things, and
Okay.
all that because variety of words is required. Do you compare prices when you shop?
Yes, it is very important. I usually prefer to do shopping during sales, even in the start of month, start of season or end of season.
No, the question is about comparing the price. For example, one thing you buy from one shop, it's of 500. Other shop is offering the same thing in 350. So this is what we call price comparison. So do you prefer? Do you actually compare the prices when you shop?
Yes, it is very important because I have to see on my budget, and I usually go to 3 to 4 shops to compare the prices and the best price I buy the
All right.
things.
Comparing the prices, it's just like you buy a coat. You tell someone, I bought this course for 5,000 rupees. Now, what is comparison? The person says, Lande cho 500 da mil janda hai. That is comparison. So, this is how you compare the prices. Okay? All right. Let's go on. Is it difficult for you to make choices when you go for shopping?
Yes, whenever I go to shopping, there are lots of colors, and it's very difficult for me to choose one item with a bunch of colors. And I usually give advice from my friends or family to select one item.
Okay, that's good. Do you prefer going for shopping alone or with someone or with anyone?
No, it is very helpful to stay with a friend or a family member whenever I go to shopping because it really helps me in choosing my best items, and that's why I go to. To answer
Okay.
your question, I would love to go to
All right.
shopping with friends.
The first thing is the tone of your voice.
Okay.
For every answer, you have the monotonous voice. Try to change it. The second thing is you're answering every question the same way. Like first, yes, I do this and all that. Try to use a variety of ideas with a variety of words. That will be better, right?
Okay.
And the third thing, be active and energetic. Answer actively, not lazily. Okay, let's go on. It's your turn, please. Newspaper and magazines. Do you prefer to read newspaper or magazines?
I prefer to read newspaper because I have a habit to read newspaper every morning, and it's give information to information about what's going on in these days. And on the other hand, the magazine come once in a week or once in a month, and that's really difficult to make habit to reading a magazines.
Or to read any magazine? Okay. Do you prefer to read the news online or on printed media?
Nowadays, I prefer to read news on your mobiles because of
On my mobile?
on
You
on my
said on
mobile.
your mobile.
On my mobile, and it's really convenient, and it's not matter where are you and what sort of the place are you, and you can use your phone and read newspaper anytime. uh,
Do you believe the news you get on social media?
Sorry.
Do you believe the news you get from social media?
Yes, I believe because I believe, but the social media is that platform where you can get fake news, and it's really, and I just follow that original official page which gives us real information, and that's the from this page, and I believe that in news.
Are you more interested in international news or local news?
I have interest in international news because I also have interested in different kind of countries like America, UK, and India, and I have really interest to read all over the world's news.
The news from all over the world. Some grammatical mistakes and some fluency issues. Just try to overcome them. But otherwise, it's fine. You handle the questions well. Right? Thank you.